it's with great pleasure that on behalf of TAFE I welcome you all to the TAFE TONSLEY campus and the BAE Careers in the Defence Industry Showcase. BAE is one of Australia's most versatile defence companies, and we are keen to hear today about the wide range of interesting and exciting jobs on offer.
So within the next 5 years, we'll have increased our workforce here by 1,000. So it's a really broad range of skills that we're going to require.
In the defence industry, the skills that students will really need is the ability to problem solve, to actually look at problems, solve them in unique and surprising ways. So it's really that looking outside of the box.
As things get more and more complex, you need more and more skills to look at the wider system, the whole complex system, and that's where I've found that Australians really excel.
But the defence industry is extremely broad, and there's a lot of great cutting-edge projects that we can work on. It gives me a great deal of opportunity to utilise the skill set that I have been taught and are developing. And there's potential to learn far more with all the new technologies that are coming out as well.
So one of the key messages that we want to get out is that it's not just a job in the defence industries, it's a career. So you can start as an apprentice, you can build your understanding on the shipyard sort of floor and build up to management, build up to careers and other opportunities, eventually become an engineer or end up managing the company.
Some of the courses that we're offering to allow students to enter into the defence industries are around screen and media, and particularly in simulation and training. We'll start you off around building 2D animation and 3D animation characters and worlds, but you can take those technical skills and then transfer them to virtual reality or augmented reality, which is really where the pathways of the future lie.
I think one of the most exciting things is that there's going to be continuous shipbuilding in South Australia, and what that's going to lead to is careers for life. It's something that students are probably yet to wrap their heads around, but something that at TAFE we're really trying to encourage people to understand the opportunities.
Being the first year director of physics, I teach a lot of first year courses. That's not just to physics, it's to engineering students, electrical engineering, mechanical, civil engineering students. So I have a sort of good understanding of what some of their interests are, and more importantly, how the skills they develop going through these courses and how they can translate into their careers in the future.
So I've just got a job at BAE Systems as a graduate electronics engineer. So that will enable me to work on jobs to do with communications, to do with circuit board designs. My final year project was to design an automated drone that is able to take off automatically and land automatically on a surface vessel that is also automated.
I think it's very important to build a passion for STEM subjects at a young age, even in primary school. Start early, but engage students at their own level. So get them with hands-on projects, things that they can really understand what STEM means, because perhaps STEM doesn't mean much to them, but a project where they could try a welding simulator, where they could put on the virtual reality goggles and really experience what it might be like to be a welder, to be in fabrication, to be an engineer. That's an important way to do it.
By doing the STEM subjects, the science, the technology, engineering and maths, that's what prepares you for these jobs, which could take you anywhere.